So here first I'm trying to explain how we will use the recursive approach. So we have a linked list and this is 1, 2 and 3 is pointing to null right now, null. Okay. So after reversing, we will get 3, 2, 1 and 1 will point to null. So we will get 3, then 2 and then 1 and 1 will point to null. So this will be the case after reversing. Now in case of recursion, what we will do is first the base case will be there. If we have one node, for example, only one node, if I had only a single node, for example, 1, then there's no meaning of reversing it, right? This is only the reversed one, this is only the initial one, so possibly there's no meaning of reversing it. So in that case, we will simply return the head again. And also in case there is no node, it is null, okay, completely null. In that case also we will return the head. So these are the base cases, okay? These are the base cases. Yep, base case. Yep. Now, but if we have more than one node, that is this case, the first example, 1, 2, and 3, in that case, what we will do is we will try to reverse from the second node, that is heads next. This is the head, 1 is the head, okay? So we will try to reverse from heads next, that is from 2, we will try to reverse. And we will call the recursive function from the heads next. So from here, the entire thing will be done by the recursive function. This part will be taken care of by the recursive function. We don't have to do anything. We will just pass this part into the recursive function and this will be done. So what we have to do is we will have to do only one single thing. We have to change this connection. So once, so for example, this part got reversed. If this part gets reversed, then it will be 3 pointing to 2 and 2 pointing to null. In that case, what will 1 point? 1 is still pointing to 2. See, this connection is still there with 2. So we will try to change that connection. We will say head next next should point to head equal to head. There's less space. Here, let me clear this area. Mm, use the bigger eraser. Yep. You got this idea, right? We will do from here again. So head next next will be equal to head now. This is a bit tricky. Why? Because now the thing is 3, then 2, 2 pointing to some null value. Oops, what is this? 2 pointing to some null value, and 1 is still pointing to 2. So we told that this is the head. Heads next, that is 2, because 1 is still pointing to 2. Heads next is 2, and 2's next, which we are trying to actually change to head now. So 2 is pointing to null. We will change this particular connection, this null, to head now. So instead of this, yep, now this will point to the head. So yeah, we changed this connection. So now we have 3, 2, 1. And the last thing which we will do is 1 should point to null. We will write head dot head next will be null. So now here we will get after this null. So ultimately all the links got changed, and this is the final linked list. This will be done using recursive function. So we were going to use the recursion function in this region, and this part which I told here will be done by us. So only one link is changed by us, and rest entire thing is done by the recursive function.